All right. Hi, I'm Benjamin Thomas, and I'm a genetics major here at Texas A&M, and I'm here to talk about GMOs and their effect on the consumer market. So GMOs are genetically modified organisms, and in food, that is any food that's been engineered or modified in a way that cannot be done naturally. And because it's not done naturally, we as consumers, me and you, or people out there in the streets, we all have these tendencies to avoid GMO products because we have fears about them, and we have concerns, whether that be for animals, humans, or the environment, even though they're practically all around us. To be more specific, 90% of all corn and soybean in the US planted are GMO or have been genetically modified in some way. And the slide behind me just depicts some crops that have genetically modified variants or like other products out there in the market that are genetically modified. Despite the prevalence of these GMO products, we still have a tendency to avoid them, as indicated by a survey by the International Food Information Council. They did some surveys and it basically showed that 33% of people practically know little to nothing about GMOs. And that presents an information gap between us as the scientists and the consumers or layman people. And to fix that, to remedy that, community engagement could be a solution, and it should be a solution. Community engagement could build trust between the scientists and the consumer, because scientists and consumers who are laymen, there's not really a good relationship there. And there's distrust, and community engagement could be a method to improve that. And so by community engagement, that could be the form of stakeholders and scientists setting aside funds to go to schools and maybe teach some of the kids about GMOs, start them young. Not to brainwash them, but to, properly inform them. And then if they're really excited about it, they can even teach their parents. And then their parents could kind of like understand it slowly, not like forcing it onto them. And then there could even be workshops within random communities that would want these genetically modified products to be taught there. But with the community's values, education, and safety all in mind, because everyone has human health concerns, animal concerns, and environmental concerns, we as a people, the scientists, the consumers, and also the agricultural industry can benefit from that. And yeah.